Hey guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off your location on maps, just in case you don't want anyone seeing where you are. So first thing is we're going to click into this messenger icon on the upper right here, and then we will click into maps. Once we are on the map, click on this little setting icon, and then you can see who could see your location. Friends, close friends, only these people. Make sure you click into no one. Do not share location. You can turn it on for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it back on. So I'll click into that. And now no one can see that. Just double check again that no one has your location, and do not turn it back. It won't turn on until you turn it back on. Okay, and then also what you want to do is go into your setting page and ensure that there is no location services turned on for your Instagram. Thanks for watching my video. Bye guys.